Okay, welcome to Dow Stock Talk. In this video, I'll be asking ChatGPT some personal finance questions, and let's see how good ChatGPT can answer these personal finance questions. I'll probably end up making a series. Now, this one is specifically for personal finance. I'll probably do another one for investing, and then I'll probably do another one is trying to use it as if they're a financial advisor or a planner. But before we start it, make sure you smash the like button because it helps the YouTube algorithm. It helps YouTube know that this is quality content, help my videos reach a broader audience. Well, first off, let's just talk about this. What is ChatGPT? You can think of it as an AI program or like an extremely smart robot that can help you with tasks, answer questions, give you ideas, advice, a whole lot of things. Matter of fact, let's ask ChatGPT what ChatGPT is. Okay.
ChatGPT is a specific implementation of the GPT language model developed by OpenAI that is designed to engage in natural language conversations with users. It is trained on a large corpus of text data, allowing it to generate human-like responses to a wide variety of input. ChatGPT is designed to be used in conversational agents or chatbots, which can be integrated into various applications, including customer support, personal assistants, and virtual agents.
OMG.
I think I'll add that in the video. The way this video is going to go is I'm going to ask ChatGPT personal finance questions, and then after I read off the answer, I'll give my feedback on like what I think personally. What I actually did is I took the questions from people, my friends, my family, and the YouTube community. Some of the questions, of course, the AI wasn't able to answer. Anything regarding future prediction. Keep in mind the information that the computer has is up to 2021. So any current events and all that stuff wouldn't be able to answer.
Well, that sucks.
Okay. No further ado. And by the way, I might have it in this video where I have the AI read its answers. That would be cool. If it's not in the video, just know it took too much time. Okay. So, by the way, if you guys are interested in, how to use it yourself, I can provide the link in the description below. It says, why should you invest? So, this is ChatGPT response. I might have the robot read it out, or I might just read it out myself.
There are multiple reasons why investing can be a smart decision. Potential for long-term growth. Investing your money in stocks, bonds, or other assets has the potential to earn higher returns than keeping money in a savings account or other low-risk investments over the long term.
Perfectly said. Couldn't say it better myself.
Beat inflation. Inflation reduces the purchasing power of your money over time, so investing can help you stay ahead of inflation and maintain your wealth.
We'll have to say, nothing. I totally agree. Let's see what else.
Diversification. Investing in a variety of assets can help you spread your risk and reduce the impact of any individual investment's performance on your portfolio. Compound interest. Investing can allow you to earn interest on your initial investment, as well as on any interest or dividends you receive over time.
Now, from my personal opinion, this is one of the most important things, that the concept that most people want to know. With this concept, I would say this would be the reason why you want to invest starting early. Here's a good one. What is the best way to pay off debt?
The best way to pay off debt depends on your individual circumstances, but here are some general steps you can take. 1. Create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses to determine how much you can realistically afford to pay towards your debt each month. 2. Prioritize your debts. Make a list of all your debts and prioritize them based on interest rates and minimum payments. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, while continuing to make minimum payments on the others.
Mathematically, that is the one that makes the most sense.
3. Consider consolidation. If you have multiple debts with high interest rates, consider consolidating them into a single loan with a lower interest rate. This can make it easier to manage your debt and save you money on interest payments. 4. Cut expenses. Look for ways to cut expenses and redirect that money towards paying off your debt. 5. Negotiate with creditors. If you're struggling to make payments, consider reaching out to your creditors to see if they can offer you a lower interest rate or a payment plan that better fits your budget.
They actually did a very good job on this one. You can also probably prompt it to give, more specific stuff to your information, but I just asked it general questions. Someone asked, how can I become a millionaire fast?
I got this. While there is no guaranteed way to become a millionaire quickly, there are a few strategies. Entrepreneurship, starting your own successful business, can provide significant income and wealth potential. Work diligently to build a scalable and profitable venture. Investments, investing in high-growth assets, such as stocks, real estate, or startup companies. High-income careers, pursue careers in high-demand fields that offer substantial earning potential. Acquire specialized skills. Strategic saving and investing, focus on long-term growth and compounding returns. Side hustles and multiple income streams, explore additional sources of income through side hustles, freelance and passive income streams. Financial education, continuously educating yourself about personal finance, investing, and wealth-building strategies. Networking and partnerships, build a strong network of like-minded individuals, mentors, and potential business partners. Discipline and long-term focus, building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline.
Okay, so it's no profound answer, it's just kind of like general knowledge that it would take, so nothing that make you a millionaire in one day. Yeah, and let's see some of the ones that I kind of was asked, what is the hottest real estate market? It lets you know it is an AI model. I don't have real-time data and the ability to predict the future real estate, but it does give you some indication. You can look at strong economic growth, increasing property value, low inventory or high demand, developed infrastructure, it says real estate market performance. Here's one. What are some common mistakes people make with their finances? That's a good one.
Here are some common mistakes. Overspending and living beyond means. Spending more than you earn is a common financial mistake. Lack of emergency savings. Failing to establish an emergency fund is a common mistake. Without an adequate safety net, unexpected expenses.
I think a lot of people know this, they're just not going to change their habits.
Not saving for retirement early. Delaying retirement savings is a common mistake. Ignoring debt and not paying it down strategically, neglecting debt or failing to have a repayment plan. Impulse buying and emotional spending. Giving in to impulsive purchases or emotional spending can harm your financial health. Not seeking professional financial advice. Failing to seek professional guidance can be a mistake, especially when dealing with complex financial matters. Neglecting financial education. Lack of financial literacy is a common mistake. Take the time to educate yourself about personal finance and investing.
Fun. So a lot of this stuff people already know, but it's a matter, it does take a lot of discipline and some sacrifice, as you can see. Okay, here's a good one. The next question we have is, why would you teach your kids to invest when they're young? Let's see what they have.
Teaching kids to invest when they are young can have several benefits. Financial literacy. Investing is a crucial aspect of financial literacy, and it's essential to teach kids about it early on. Long-term financial planning. Investing is a long-term game, and teaching your kids about it early on can help them understand the importance of long-term financial planning. By starting to invest at a young age, they can learn about the power of compounding and how small investments can grow over time. Building wealth. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth over the long term, and by teaching your kids about it early on, you can help set them up for financial success. Whether it's through investing in the stock market or other investment vehicles, investing can help your kids build long-term wealth that can benefit them for years to come. Developing good financial habits. By teaching your kids about investing, you can also help them develop good financial habits.
But I kind of went over all of it. Overall, said it done a good job. A lot of this stuff you could be able to kind of do a Google search, but the fact that it can post it in a human-like response is fantastic. fantastic. So I think it did a very good job. Most of these questions, if you would have asked me, I don't think I could have answered better myself. By the way, if you have any other questions that if I can make for future videos, or if you want to see more videos relating ChatGPT, technology of AI and ChatGPT, you can use it for a lot of interesting things in finance and investing, and I will be incorporating more of these videos to show how you can particularly use it. But that concludes this video. Let me know how you think ChatGPT answered the questions. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to the channel.